Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve the I2C LCD error and show the proper text in your LCD. So, watch full video without skipping any seconds. Otherwise you will not understand the solution. In this video, I have explained 3 different types of error. So watch full video to solve your error. Many people not soldering the I2C module with LCD. So your Arduino board won't communicate with LCD. You need to solder your I2C module with your LCD properly. This type of solder joints will create error. So solder the LCD and I2C module properly without solder joints. This type of improper solder or partial solder will create error. So soldering is very important to solve your error. This is the circuit diagram for our project. Go to the Documents folder and choose Arduino folder, and then choose Library folder. Delete all the folder which is installed in your library folder. Copy the text and paste in Library Manager. Clearly check the version of the library in the video and install the same version of the library. Sometime updated library may create problem. Now library have been installed successfully. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Open the Device Manager and check the port number and choose the port number properly. My port number is 36. So I am choosing the port number as 36 in my program. Choose accordingly based on your port number. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After click Upload button, wait for 2 to 3 seconds to show message as done uploading. Now your LCD start to work properly. If not working, check the next error. Now open Example folder and choose Wire folder and choose I2C Scanner program. And upload the I2C Scanner program to know your I2C LCD address. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program. Here your I2C module address will be visible here. My I2C address is 3F. Type the same I2C module address in your program. I am changing address value as 3F in my program. Again click Upload Program button. Your LCD will work perfectly. Still you are facing the issue, go for next solution. After entering the I2C address correctly and upload the program, still you are facing the issue, press Reset button to check the status of LCD working condition. When you press Reset button, your LCD screen will go for 1 second off and again on after 1 second means everything work perfectly. You need to go only one step further to get output in your screen. Press Reset button again to test the screen. Adjust the blue color box with screwdriver to change the brightness of your LCD. At particular condition blue color box screw position, your LCD will show the text message properly. Press Reset button in Arduino board every time after small adjustment in blue box screw. Now, your text message will be visible in your LCD screen. If you have still facing the issue, watch the video once again without skipping any seconds. I have done more than 100 animation using Arduino and LCD. If you want to make more animation with LCD, watch my LCD playlist in my YouTube channel.